Do you think today was a bit of an overreaction, both with the customers and with the stock market?
In general, I'm not a stock market investor. I don't know how to weigh in on that stuff, but I think the long march of history says that human beings want to do trade with each other. Governments may put up tariffs, they may take down tariffs, but if you look at 800 years of history, back to the Mongol invasions, global trade has grown 4% on average. So I just expect that, if you look in 50 years from now, there's going to be way more trade than there is today, and I don't pay attention on the day-to-day.
Well, then in the end,
changes.
who gets hurt?
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, businesses that don't like complexity, they want to have some certainty about what's going to happen. It's very hard to plan a supply chain when it's changing day to day, and so I think it's really hard for these businesses to figure out, what is the government going to do and how should they set themselves up? Possible that this will lead to higher prices for consumer goods, but there's all kinds of other variables that may lower taxes or may create a simpler regulatory framework that might increase demand. I mean, we're going to see the price of air freight come down a lot if Shein and Temu can no longer do the same amount of volume. We've seen the Houthis back off a little bit here, probably out of fear of what Trump administration may do, but they were, all the container ships in the world have not been able to go through the Red Sea for over a year. That we're starting to hear rumors and talk that maybe the container ships will start going through the Red Sea again. That would really bring down the price of ocean freight. So it's hard to operate in a really simple black and white world when global trade is this complex.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.